We wanted to send this video out based on due to the new coronavirus outbreak that's going on, and we wanted to share a few slides and see what USA Health and Wellness is going to be doing to help the community recover from the situation. Wanted to share a few slides. CNN is reporting the US now has 3,130 cases of coronavirus and 62 deaths. So this is as of 3:15 today, Sunday. We have this many cases. So we have at USA Health and Wellness are very concerned about what's going on, and people are getting quarantined. Stores are running out of different cleaning essentials, and people are in a kind of in a panic mode. We don't know if it's going to be a national lockdown, and we can see why, and that's because of all this cases and that's happening. So it is spreading. So going down here, you see some of the slides that we have. Walmart shortens its hours and maybe closing some of their stores, and so trying to get cleaning supplies and food and water and basic essentials will be harder for the community. We see Walmart shorten its hours, and other retailers across America are now closing their doors just to be safer and protect employees working there from getting infected, and also trying to protect customers from clients from getting infected as well. So we at USA Health and Wellness, what we want to do is make sure that everybody is healthy. We want to stay healthy, and staying healthy has never been more important. So what are we going to do to help the community? So we've come up with a way that we can have help people get to the items that they need, the products that they need. We have created a coronavirus preventive list. There is a website here that you can now go in and click, go to this website, and it will show you everything that you need for the coronavirus, and it will be nicely arranged in different categories. The nice thing is, I'd like to share that we have, happy to announce that we have 15% off. Enter the code 15OFF-MA. And when you go in and check out, put in the code there. And for all the customers, we appreciate you. And we want to try and help the community also deal with the situation. With this code 15OFF-MA, you will now be able to get 15% off on all your final purchase in your shopping cart. What you need to do is click on that link out there on this post and sign in, register, so we'll know where to deliver these items. We have tons of different items here. That's all sorted out in different categories. Here's all the bathroom supplies that we may need during this time. We have that we have here. That's now you're going to get a 15% off of that price. Deep cleaning solutions. We want to disinfect and clean up all. Feel free to have a look at this website. It's got everything that you need, all sorted out into different categories, and hopefully you will find this useful. The coronavirus preventive supplies list is now available on the website. Feel free to click on it and register, sign in, and we can have that delivered to you as soon as possible. There is a share link here, copy link. We can share on Facebook, Twitter, and we can have this sent out to as many people that might find this useful as we go through this difficult time. We're saying there may be a lockdown, there may be a national lockdown as well, so people may be quarantined more, and we don't know what the situation is going to be. So this is just a need. Have a look. Look at the details. Some of these products are great products that we find that you will find very useful. Sign in, register, put in your address. We'll deliver it straight to your house. So in the event everything closes down, you have access to our online site. So hopefully you will find this useful, and take care, be safe, and we got this. Take care. Bye.